Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this Voodoo Eyes and Dress to Impress new Halloween update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined Dress to Impress on Roblox, and as you can see, now I'm applying this Voodoo Eyes and I'm going to show you how you can get this eyes for free. So guys, you can go to this area, the Halloween update area, and then you will see the Voodoo Eyes here, and then you just need to tap on that, and then here you can change the toggle. You can choose default and eyelashes. Okay, and for the color, we can also change the color. Let me change it to red. Oops, it's not good. I'm going to make it black, and for the second selection I'm going to make it red. Okay, and you can use it for horror theme or Halloween theme. Yeah, that's so cool, and most importantly, it's free. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get this Voodoo Eyes and Dress to Impress of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!